Hello everyone. On this quick road assessment of Airport Boulevard in Los Angeles, California, let's take a deep dive into the current condition and any actual issues that you should be aware of while traveling on Airport Boulevard. For starters, the overall condition of Airport Boulevard is good. However, portions of Airport Boulevard near the Los Angeles International Airport call for attention. At this area, drivers will experience road cracks, alligator cracks, potholes, road discoloration, and aesthetic blemishes that some drivers will find troublesome. Also, skid marks on this area of Airport Boulevard may suggest that there is a history of unsafe driving behavior, and drivers should exercise caution. During peak rush hour times, drivers need to be vigilant, as traffic conditions can get very congested. The traffic to and from Los Angeles International Airport will be heavy, and shuttle buses on this portion of Airport Boulevard will be obstacles drivers will have to navigate around. Recent road work on Airport Boulevard has introduced a series of road repair patches and road barriers, necessitating extra caution from drivers. These essential maintenance efforts aim to enhance the safety and longevity of Airport Boulevard, but they also require motorists to remain vigilant. The road repair patches, while a temporary solution, can cause uneven surfaces that may catch drivers off guard if they're not paying close attention. Additionally, the barriers redirect traffic and can lead to sudden lane changes. It's crucial for drivers to slow down, follow all posted signs, and stay alert to ensure a safe journey through the construction zones on Airport Boulevard. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. And if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. As drivers make their way from the bustling area of Airport Boulevard, they will quickly notice a seamless shift as they approach the tranquil embrace of the nearby residential neighborhood. The cacophony of the busy street gives way to a serene silence, punctuated only by the gentle rustle of trees and the occasional chirp of birds. Here, Airport Boulevard is smooth, almost devoid of imperfections, allowing for a comfortable and pleasant drive. It may be a welcoming change of pace for some drivers, offering a moment of respite and relaxation as they transition into the peaceful heart of this Los Angeles community. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.